The next tool, my product list. This my product list. We can add the product list. For example, if you find a product list, this is the product list previously I added. How we can add to our list. This is the previous I created. I can it after creating it seems like that. It's kind of product tracking or idea tracking or something like that. At the same time, for example, if you are searching product and if you find a product or if you uh, doing product research, you find any product. Let's go quickly product research, and I find. Let's suppose we find a product like this one, product research. I just click and get this idea, this idea, this idea. You want to add to your product tracker or product list. Ultimately, you can go to before you said also that add to product batch. Later, you can go to analyze deeper. You will not forget. You don't need to copy ASIN to add somewhere else. What you need just add to product tracker and or you can just come here and add to product. Okay, this is the products list, and maybe I wanna add it. We created with you test 3 and tag manager, and I'm adding this product there. This product I will be tracking, and I will see everything. This is also kind of product ideas list. You can use from here, or you can use the same tool from the Amazon search page. For example, I'm searching baby playpen with mat. I get, for example, there are different products on the Amazon search page, and I wanna add this product into my product list to check more detail later. You can add directly from here as well. What you need, just you see this yellow or orange, this orange Chrome extension. You find very good idea. Or maybe this guy did very good image, or maybe this guy did very good differentiation for the product. I need to check later more detail. I'm just clicking my list. I can create new, or maybe I can add the previous playpen I had. Just click this one, add the product list, or I added this one already there. Or maybe you want to add this one, the same like before, just click it and the playpen add to my product list. Ultimately, when we go to playpen, just 1 second, we are gonna find out those products all here. Yeah, they should be all here. Okay, these products are playpen recently I added. It should be downside or upside. It should be this product upside. Yeah, this product I added before, and some of them I added just now. You can find all those products inside of this batch, like this group. Of course, you can add as an individual, but it's better you group so you don't mix up the products to see what's happening. Guys, you can do it in product detail page, and you can do it same on Amazon search page. Any idea, any interesting product, or any interesting image you find out, you just add them to your product list or product tracker, both. Okay, with one click. Just click here, select any tag, and save or add to my product list. We will add it and see what's going on for you.
Yeah, pretty straightforward, man. Here, like a list of products, again, for product researching, and we see like products that are very interesting to us. We can have a list of like very interesting products, we can call it. And, while doing product research, we see better products, like based on numbers that we understand that are better for us. So see, okay, this one is really nice. Like reviews are low, and everyone is killing it with sales, boom, we add it to the best kind of products list or whatever I called it. Or if we see like it's so niche and we're not sure about it, we think like maybe it's patent or not, we have another list for like nice but check later or something. And we can, again, there's so much to do with it.